Look at this cracking little Austin Healey Frogeye Sprite. I think this, Dale, deserves a drive, so let's give it a whirl. So this is great fun. Everybody loves a Frogeye, and this is a real first for us. So it's not only a beautiful little Frogeye with the A-series engine, but it's fitted with a supercharger. I believe it's a Shorrock in this. So I was really keen, as was Dale behind the camera, to just see how it went. So let's give it a go. It's a bit of a bracing day. We've got our hats on. Real December weather, but I like this. It feels really tight on the road. Pulling in third gear. Hear that little rasp of the A-series engine. Lovely. Really, really smooth gear change as well. Oh. This is fantastic. The addition of the supercharger really does give a little bit more pep and zest to the standard little A-series engine. This is a real delight to drive, and we're guiding this, I think, really, really attractively at 12 to 15,000. So if you've always fancied a Frogeye and you fancy one with a little bit of a twist, I think this could very much be the one for you. Now on the road, the road on this estate is a little bit bumpy, and there's a lot of HGVs that come down here, so this is not normal driving conditions with the bumps in the road, but I think this is absolutely fantastic. I really, really do. Really, really brilliant. And we'll just go and take some photos now, Dale, I think. So we've just had a drive in this, really, really enjoyed it. Very, very straight and level car. You've got these later alloy wheels, a little bit of a sporty look. Original number plate, DA, yeah. Well spotted, Dale. There's looks like a pretty much new soft top and frame that comes with it. There's a car cover, and I think that looks like something like a tonneau cover in the back. But a real delight. Proper British, fun, classic car. And what's important to note is that the bonnet is steel. A lot of these have been replaced because the bonnets used to rot, and they've been replaced with fiberglass ones. This is still a steel one, so that's really great to see. So the bonnet's up, and yes, this is the business end. So Dale, I don't know if you can just see, this is the Shorrock supercharger, belt driven and running a single carb. You've got an air cleaner carb. The fuel and the air will mix, gets forced through the supercharger into the combustion chamber. So a real great thing. You've got the original Smith's heater. All looks nice and tidy. Look at that.